Yes. So for the second year, the cumulative maintenance cost will be 2,400. All right. Why? Because it is 2,200 plus 200, which is equal to 2,400. And next, C minus S plus cumulative cost for the second year, it is 9,000 minus 0 plus 2,400. Okay, 2,400 is here. So 9,000 and 0 is given in the question. Alright, so 11,400, and the average cost comes out to be 5,700. That means 5,000 rupees the owner has to pay every year in case the owner sells this machine at the end of the second year. Alright, so this is the meaning of these two calculations. Next, going ahead, if I have to continue the same problem for the first, second, and third and fourth year, so these are the different calculations, and these are the different average cost: 9,200, 5,700, 5,200, 5,450. So if you have to see, 5,200 was the average cost for the third year and 5,450 was the average cost for the fourth year. That is a slight increase, so we stop the problem at the end of the fourth year. Okay, so what it means is the machine A can be replaced at the end of the third year. So that is the meaning. All right. Okay, now going ahead, now in the question, certain details were given regarding machine B. Machine B, a certain maintenance cost as well as the purchase cost also was given. Now first what we will do is we will calculate the maintenance cost for machine B. So what it says is, for the first year the maintenance cost is 400 rupees, and then it increases by 800 rupees every year. So what happens is, for the next year it will be 400 plus 800, which comes out to be 1200. 400 plus 800, which comes out to be 1200. For the next year it will be 1200 plus 800, which is equal to 2000, so on and so forth. So again I have calculated this for the 6 years. Okay, now you can calculate it for any number of years. So we'll see how many number of years we are supposed to do this calculation. Okay, so this is about the maintenance cost for machine B. Okay, next, going ahead, for machine B, if I have to see the first year, maintenance cost is 400, cumulative maintenance cost will be 400 again. Purchase cost C is equal to 10,000, which is given. Alright, so this is given in the problem. That is the main, that is the reason. It is 10,000 minus 0, which is equal to 10,000 itself. There is no resale value for this machine. Next, cumulative maintenance cost is 10,400, and the last value is 10,400 itself. That is for the first year. Okay, going ahead, again for the second year, if you have to see, the maintenance cost has increased by 800, that is, it becomes 1200 for the second year. Now cumulative maintenance cost is 1600, C minus S is 10,000, C minus S plus cumulative cost is 11,600, and average cost comes out to be 5,800. Alright, that means the machine owner has to pay 5,800 rupees every year. Alright, so this is the meaning. Next, continuing this problem, if you have to see, I have calculated this average cost for 6 years, and I could find that the average cost was 4,000 for the fifth year, and it is 4,066 for the sixth year. That means there is a slight increase for the sixth year. That is the reason. Again, we can say that the replacement year for this particular machine is fifth year. Okay. Alright, so that is the meaning of it. So we'll go ahead. Alright, now here is a note: the life of machine A is third year. That means the replacement year of the machine A is 3 years. Okay, that is the meaning of the first note. Second note: the life of machine B is 5 years. That means replacement year of machine B is 5 years. Okay, next, it means that the life of machine B is more than machine A. That means we can replace machine B after 5 years. That means the life of this machine is 5 years. While machine A, if we purchase, we have to sell it after 3 years. So the life, if you have to see for machine A, it is less than machine B. So what we can conclude is that we can replace machine A with machine B. Okay. Now next question is when we are supposed to replace this. We can replace A with machine B immediately after the first year. Okay. So this is the conclusion. If you have any doubts, you can ask the question to me. Okay. Thank you.